The Alternative Law Forum is a Bengaluru-based human rights lawyers collective. The Alternative Law Forum started in 2000. ALF is committed to responding to issues of social and economic justice. They work to make the law and legal institutions accessible to marginalized communities and citizens. On their 22nd work anniversary, they organized a lecture on the 17th of December. Justice Dr. S. Muralidhar, Chief Justice Orissa High Court, and Saraswati, activist, writer and theatre artist, presided over the lecture and shared their insights on the theme.
So what I liked about the event is that even though it was ALF's 22nd year, they were celebrating themselves. It was really good that they brought about some of the very cardinal issues that we face in the legal sector currently. And it's what Shivasa also said that we've been talking about it for so long, but there's actually no action taking place. People are still suffering at the same level, and so all of these points that have come forward in a very nice way, and both put in languages of English and Kannada was also really good. But I feel because it got in a lot of people could understand on different levels, and they translated for us. I really hope that some of this is published and actually researched on and taken forward to actually make changes that is very much required in the legal sector, that all of us face, all of us see. It's very evident, and it's really good that they brought it up today.
So today we're celebrating completing 22 years of Alternative Law Forum. Alternative Law Forum is a critical lawyering organization which integrates research, advocacy and litigation. And why we had 400 people here gathered today was because ALF is a public space as such, where people from all kinds of marginalizations and all kinds of working classes, ranging from LGBTQI folks, sex workers, street vendor union, Paura Karmikas, all find some kind of trust, faith and access to ALF, where they're able to raise issues of social justice. And we as lawyers and as folks who are engaged in human rights lawyering, we help them access justice through using state mechanisms such as the courts, petitioning the governments, using local authorities, and basically giving the power to the people whose the law actually is.
And about the website, ma'am, you launched a website.
So, because it is the generation of digitization, and more people are able to get connected throughout the country through web means, as our effort to reach out to more people and make our archive of 22 years of work more accessible, we have launched our website, a revamped website, which is basically going to be a host of resources ranging from all our talks that we have at ALF, all the consultations that we have at ALF, the workshop and pedagogical material that we have at ALF, and we'd be very, very happy if more people could use that website. It's called altlawforum.org. So whoever can, we'd be very, very happy to hear your feedback and if you could access the website.
He spoke of two absences. He said we're going to enter into a world of contradictions. He said there are going to be two absences. And the two absences he noted in 1949, November, were fraternity and equality. And his understanding of fraternity, which I think Arvind Narayan in his book notes that he got it from the Buddhist principles of Maitreyi. Fraternity means